When you think of Google, most of us think of a platform where you can search for anything and everything and get a bunch of search results that can be useful and helpful for you. But in this video, I will show you how such a platform can actually get you paid for free and with ease. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up now. Before we go to the website and try to figure things out by yourself, I urge you to first watch this video, because I explain a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free, plus bonus tips to make more money faster, and step-by-step examples. You should definitely stay all the way until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second, so you won't get confused, and if you really want to make this work. So if you really want to set this up properly, and if you really want to make it work, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. Now with all of that said, now let's jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so you heard that right. Google, out of all of the sites, will be paying us today. And to be more specific, you guys, it's a Google platform called Skillshop. And so your very first step is to either come over to Google search for Google Skillshop, like so, and then open up this page right here. Or alternatively, you can just type in this link, skillshop.withgoogle.com. Either way, this is the site that we will be using to make money. Now first things first, what is Google Skillshop? This is where Google's official platform that allows you to grab various courses that will teach you various skills for completely free. As seen right here, develop skills. You can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google products certified. The best part is that you get a certificate whenever you complete one of these courses, which are awesome to say at the least. You can watch courses relating to Google Ads, which will allow you to grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. You have courses relating to Google Marketing Platform, courses relating to analytics, and so on and so forth. There are just too many for me to read out loud. Now, which courses in particular will grant you certifications? You can see by hovering your mouse over Get Certificate right here, and if I hover my mouse over to Google Ads, you can see all of the courses which I have to watch in order to get certified. You can get a certificate for the Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, and finally, Waze. Now with that said, you might not like it, but this will pay off, I promise, is to come over to this site and get a certificate from any of these courses. Now the courses that will pay off the most are the Google Ads courses, and as you can see, some are shorter and some are longer. For example, this one will take over 2.5 hours, and while this one is a bit of time. Remember that you just have to watch the courses once, and that's it. You will now have that certificate forever, and you will also gain valuable knowledge from these courses. That, as I said, will pay off big time because people are willing to pay a lot of money for Google Ad experts, and I'll show you where to find customers. Right now, you can find customers through the use of two platforms, the first of which is called peopleperhour.com. This is a website where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer. Now obviously, we are here to make money, so we'll indeed be working as freelancers here. And here's the thing that I really love about this site, however, in comparison to Fiverr, for example. On People Per Hour, you can find people who are offering to pay you for a certain job, whereas on Fiverr, you can create a gig and wait for the customer to come to you. So this is why we are using People Per Hour in particular. So what you need to do when you first come on here is to create an account by clicking on sign up right over here. I will not go through the entire process as I'm sure you can manage. Now once you're done, your next step is to click on search and then select search projects. From there, you will now want to search for a job. The type of job you will search for depends on the type you completed over on Google Skillshop. Let's say that you have completed a course relating to Google Ads. If you search for that, you will now find that there are people who are offering up to hundreds of dollars. And not only do you have a certificate as a Google Ads expert, but thanks to Google's courses, you will know exactly how it all works and what to do. This of course means you will be able to make a lot of money. For example, this person I found is offering this amount of money for a Google Ads expert. Then we also have this person who is offering this amount of money as well. And then there's this person who will pay for this amount an hour. And these are a handful of total offers I found only on people per hour alone and relating to just Google Ads. So while you do invest a tiny bit of time into learning a few things here and there, that knowledge is immensely valuable online and can end up making you a ton of money. However, people per hour is not the only platform you can use. A similar platform called freelancer.com is perfect as well. What you need to do on here is similar to people per hour. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So first and foremost, create an account on here by clicking on Sign Up in the upper right corner of the page. When you're done, you will now want to click on Browse Jobs right over here and then search for a job type that, as I said, depends on the type, of course. So let's go along with Google Ads as an example. You can see, just like with the previous site, you will easily find people offering as much of $100 for a Google Ads expert. The sheer number of offer is higher on freelancer.com with this amount of people in total. That's twice as much. Now, while both of these platforms have the drawback of you having to bid for offers, keep in mind that simply because there are so many of them, it is virtually guaranteed that someone will accept your offer, and when that happens, you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars. If you, however, want to avoid that altogether, then what you can do is create a gig on people per hour or even on Fiverr and ask for $100 or so. This will be a bit of a slower way to get customers, but once you get a few reviews, it'll get easier from there. Now, if you're really interested in making money online and starting your own online business, then I highly recommend you check out Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes from which you can learn almost everything you can think of. You can learn new skills like web design, graphic design, internet marketing, and much more. One of my favorite classes in Skillshare from the e-business category is selling online business skills for product designers. And then these classes are about how anyone can turn their idea into a real and successful online business. They also talk about all of the fundamentals one must have to achieve success in online business. And this class is all about selling online, finding your niche, building your brand, setting up your stores, marketing your products with social media, and more. Now, the main reason why I really love Skillshare is not because you can learn pretty much everything with ease, but since the platform is curated only for learning, there aren't any boring and annoying ads to interrupt you. And what's even better is you can get full access to all of the Skillshare classes from which you can learn 24 hours a day. Learn almost any skill you can think of. With that said, you guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope you liked it and are enjoying my content. And if that's the case, then please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on any future content, that is sure to come back and click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video.